How to fix invalid code? Please try again error in DeepSeek AI. Let's get started. If you're encountering the invalid code, please try again error during DeepSeek AI's verification process. Follow these steps. DeepSeek AI has recently faced large-scale malicious attacks, leading to temporary limitations on new registrations to maintain service stability. This may affect the verification process. Many users have found success by opting for the Login with Google feature or Login with Apple. Launch the DeepSeek app and use these options given over here to get login. This method often bypasses the need for a separate verification code. If you're not receiving the verification code in your current email, try registering with a different email service, such as Yahoo Mail, Hotmail, Outlook, or any other mail. Some users have reported delays or non receipt of codes with certain providers, and switching has proven effective. Stay informed about the current status of DeepSeek services. Visit DeepSeek status page for real time updates on service availability and any ongoing issues. If you have tried the above steps without success, wait for a few hours and attempt the registration process again. Service disruptions are often temporary and may be resolved shortly. By following these steps, you should be able to overcome the verification code issue and successfully access the DeepSeek AI app. So that's a wrap. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.